Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Marinette. If it's your first time watching me, welcome. If it's not your first time, welcome back. It's nice to see you again. So today guys, I'm going to talk about my skincare routine, what I use in Day Basic. But before starting anything, I'll ask you to subscribe. If you're not subscribed yet, comment, like the video, share the video, show me some love. You can also go follow me on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, anyway, all my social media down in the description down below. So let's start. Okay guys, I would like to share with you what I do in my skincare routine, because what you have to know, first of all, I'm a person who wear a lot of makeup. All of us, we know like makeup is not good for your skin, because I have sometimes people asking me, how come you put on so much makeup, you don't have scars, you don't have pimples and everything. Sometimes I do have pimples, but it's not usually in the time of my month that I have breakage. So like what I tell people, like what I like to do, first of all, I hate I love makeup in the Day Basic, but I hate sleeping with makeup. I always have my skincare regimen, how I do for the night, but I'm not going to talk about it in this video. But in this video, I'm going to talk about what I use like on my in my skincare routine, morning routine for my skin. So I always like because when I sleep, I always have this feeling like, we sweat at night, our skin has like all those breakage, like, sorry. In our skin, we have like all those, those greasy, oil in our face. So when I wake up first, before everything, I always start first by wiping my face with the wiper that I just showed you in the other video. Sorry, I don't have the wiper here. Okay, so far. So I like using the cleanser, this one, and this cleanser here, it's such a nice cleanser that I just bought it when I was in United States. I bought it in Los Angeles. I got it in the King Dollar store, $3 store, because there's the King and the $3 store. I got this one in $3 store. I just got it like for, you all know it's like for $1, So I got this cleanser, but I just think it worked miraculously. It just cleans like your face so good, and the good thing like it makes you like a lot of bubbles. You can wash with. And I have my machine, that's this one. I had it like for so long, but this one is like, I got it, it's the gift that I got, this one. I got it for the gift, but this brush, I love it a lot because it just washes your skin very, very well. Like you wash your skin thoroughly, like you remove everything, all the dust. But like, it's like, I just have a feeling with this brush of mine, you can't use it like 2 times in a day because, it's kind of rough sometimes for your skin. So I like using it once in a day, once in a day. Sometimes if I don't do it in the morning, I'll do it in the evening, because I have like all those makeup. Like I always want to take it off like really good. And I recommend you, like guys, if you don't have a brush to wash your face, you really have to do, because it works just amazing for your skin. And then the next thing also, like I like showing you when I'm doing I always also go with my toner. My toner, it's a mask because even this one, I use it like 2 times in a day. I use it in the morning and also in the evening, It's also good to always have it with the toner for your skin. And then what also I like using also my scrubber. Like the scrubber, sometimes if I don't do this in the evening, I may use my scrubber. Also, what it works the best is this soap here. I got it in my tongue. Where I live here, all of you guys, if you know my tongue, I got it in my tongue. But I still had just to find the box because I don't have the box anymore. Because I cut it in half. Half it was to take it in the trip, and then the other half left. This is like black soap. It is a lot of mix of all those natural ingredient inside, and this soap, it just work amazing for my skin. And I buy it, I think even is like less than $4. I think it's like €3 or something. I buy it in my tongue, but I'm gonna find the box and maybe I'll leave in the description down below, And then what also like I like using, I have like this mask. I buy this mask, like the way I say this for Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, you have it a lot. Like this one, I got it in Action. So that's what I was saying with this mask. This one, I bought this mask in Action. You have it like for Monday all the way to Sunday. So I like using this one in my daily routine. Like I use like this face mask, and I like using this bottom eyelashes mask. No lashes, sorry. Bottom eyelashes skin. I like using this on for your eyes, and it works just amazing, And also have like this one, those little masks here. This one is my scrubber for the lips. This one also I got in LA. I got it in a $3 store. I got them together with this one with the lip mask, all of them. And this product, guys, just worked amazing. You know, it just works amazing. You know, amazing. And also have this spray. This product I got is also in $3 store in the United States. I got also this one. It just works amazing for my skin. And I have like this serum. This one I have this one. This one I bought it in Crédits. This one in Crédits. I don't know how much I bought it anymore. I don't remember. And this one also I got it with the aloe vera. I bought it also in Action. It works just amazing. And I have also this serum. This one I got it. I think I don't know, somewhere. I don't remember anymore. But it just works also amazing for my skin. And I have this one with the snail. This cream, it just works so amazing. I buy this one in Action. You have the blue one. The blue one is just really amazing. It works really good for your pimples and it works good for your scarf, you know. I'm not sponsored by Action or anything. I just say what works good. And the crazy thing, the way it works, the price is just crazy. I buy this one under $2. And this, it just works really, really amazing. So what I like using in the day basic, this one, you know, always leave it on the freezer the night before, or you can even leave it like anytime, like if you know, like let's say like you have like 30 minutes before washing your face, do your thing, do your skin routine, you can also just put it in the freezer. But me, I like it extra cold, so I leave it like the night before on the freezer. And this, it just works so good for my skin, because what I want to tell you guys, this is my daily basic skin routine. But I have also the monthly, I have the weekly, I have like a lot of skincare routine. You know, if you want to see my weekly, my monthly, just leave it down in the description down below. So we like to share with you what I like doing, because you know, women, you know, all my beauties, you know, we are women, we have to take care of yourself. You know, when you goes already above, when you're already in the 30 years, you know, you need to take care of your skin. You know, you really have to feed your skin, doing all those things. Don't think it's too much. It's just like your skin will, you just need to give time for your skin, you know, to feed your skin, show your skin more love, like the way I always do, like all the time. I know sometimes you get tired. It's just like once you stand, it's okay. You just feel like you're inside the vibe already to wash to do your skin routine. So like I'll ask you, like if you guys like you have your skin routine, you can also share with me what, like I don't know, like what can you advise me? You know, we are here, we work as a team, you know, our beauty team, so we can share some ideas. What do you think works the best? You can suggest me products, you know. I'm always here, open mind to try all the products. Okay, then, so that's all I wanted to share with you, my skincare routine, my daily skincare routine, you know, my morning daily, skincare routine that I do. But I have also the monthly and the weekly, the way I said. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you have more questions, you can leave it down on the description down below. And I'm so excited to be with you guys. And thank you again for tuning in. See you all, guys, on my next video. And please, again, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Follow me also on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook. Show me some love. You know, bye, beauty. See you on my next one. Mwah.